Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Are you pooping them pants? Are you doing both? Give you some of your privacy. This is what you call balance and your American bully. Come on. Holding off the leash. We good over here. Real talk. Enjoy the nature. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nature work. Come on. Come on, bro. I called you bro. My bad. Hey. Sit. 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 Good girl. Good. Yeah, you realize you're not on the leash. Let's go. Come on. Listen, listen. Don't go down there. You were supposed to have been good, bro. I don't want you in that. We still balanced, man. Just because she went up in there, I don't mean we ain't balanced. I put it back on the leash. You gotta have trust in your dog. Me personally, I just don't trust this goddamn field. This right here, I don't care if it's a nature walk or not. They be ticks up in that raccoon. I don't care. My dog ain't getting bit. Right, Kira? You know Kira ain't no punk. She still ain't going down there. She still ain't going down there. Because I said so. Watch. Go get him. Watch. Go get him. Watch. Go get him. Watch. Go get him. He over there. Let's go. Let's go. Go on. Watch. She really want to go down there. Go on. Let's go. Go on. Watch. Go on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Tell him, Kira, we ain't never scared. Tell him. We bro strong over here. She look like she gaining a little weight. She look like she gaining a little weight. I got her on a new diet. A better one, I should say. God damn. Kira, you wanna go in there? I'll let you go in there. Hell no, you ain't going in there. Let's go. Oh. Yeah, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, man. Like, get this challenge going. We outside. Come on. I'm gonna leave you. How you do this? How you zoom? Hey, let's go. Kira, stop looking at. Come on, come on, come on. She all the way down there. She about to make me leave her. Zoomies! I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe for this challenge, man. We'll drop down Team Kira, man. Team Kira all the way. Team Kira. Spam up Team Kira in the comment section down below. Spam up Team Kira in the comment section down below. Start release June 19th. Y'all get the challenge right. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. So, oh, my pants got stuck. I fucked with new pants. Come on. Spam up Team Kira in the comment section. Word up. Spam Team Kira in the comment section. Get the challenge going. Like I said, the challenge is a success. Everybody's doing their part, playing their part. Everybody's liking, everybody's comments, subscribing, everybody's commenting. We gained over 16 I think 18 subscribers in the last 2 weeks, which is amazing, 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 amazing. So I appreciate the love, the support. Hold on. I appreciate the love, the support, everything that's going on with the PvP Farmers Bullies. Like I said, there's only more coming from here. And we got some good news coming up. Good news, good news, good news. And we're going to do it from there. I want to show y'all some things. I'm about to make, the video is about to be turned up soon. The videos is about to be A1 soon, like with the learning. And we got a new product we about to do. Making it myself. It's about to get crazy on the channel. Real talk. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. We out. Come here. Come here. That's what I gotta deal with. Daily basis. Come here. Come here. It gets annoying. I'm gonna tell you now. Because I'm a big person. I can't be scooting back and forth. And sometimes when she get overly hype, she hit her head on this. And that be pissing me off because I don't like when she hit her head on this. I think she gonna go dumb if she do that. But I don't like that. I'm not saying my dog is dumb, I'm just saying hitting her head so many times like that. Come on. Usually I'll grab her, but I don't feel like going under there and grabbing her. Please, stop doing this to me, kid. Come on, girl. Please.